Side of the road.
What's your badge name?
Go.
What's your badge name?
Go.
What's your... Won't even say it.
That's not a thing.
Won't even say
and now you're going.
Don't.
Now you're going to fucking jail.
Bitch, I'm fucking...
On July 6, 2024, an officer responded to a disturbance, call outside an adult entertainment establishment. 2 women were removed from the premises and sought police help to recover a missing purse. This footage raises 4 core legal questions that will be examined under constitutional law. First, did the officer have reasonable suspicion sufficient to justify an investigative detention? Second, did the subject's conduct meet the legal threshold required for disorderly conduct under state law? Third, did the arrest constitute First Amendment retaliation triggered by a protected request for badge identification? Fourth, did handcuffing a detainee absent a formal arrest constitute an unlawful seizure under the Fourth Amendment?
No, because... No, give me my ID. No. Oh my God, thank God. Please, please, please. I am so glad that you're here.
Step away.
Are you scared of us?
No, but I'm not going to have any situations arise.
Seriously?
Okay? I don't know what you're going to do. I don't know if you're going to grab my gun. I don't know.
No.
Okay?
Can I just tell you right
So
now?
I'm asking just take a step back.
They have my purse in there?
Okay.
All I want is my purse.
What I want to do is I want to figure out what's going on first, okay? Because all I get here for is I see you yelling.
We called you. They have my purse, and that's all I want.
Okay.
It's a white purse.
Just a purse. That's it.
White purse, black chain. They want to claim they don't have it.
Okay.
I know they have it.
So black purse.
I know that. Please let us walk in there with you.
You said I can't let you go in if they're not.
No. Oh, seriously?
No.
Bro, seriously?
So listen, it's their property.
Seriously?
It's their property.
No,
they can make that work.
I want to go. But I want my purse. But I have $200 in there. I have a lot. I have $300 in my mother.
Looks like so I can go in there now. You said black purse with
no.
White purse.
Can I please just show you? Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And I have some gum.
Look at this. Look at this. They threw us out.
What did they kick y'all out for?
Because we were being too loud.
Okay.
And we were taking attention from the dancers. Who? I'm a stripper myself back in Arkansas. Try me. I'm sorry, but I was just trying to tip the girl.
You got a photo of your purse so I can go in there and see if it's
Yes. But I was just trying to tell him I'm not doing no harm in here.
No, we were trying to.
They literally put their hands on us and they threw us out.
I'm gonna figure out the whole thing. First thing.
I have it on video. Like if you really want to try some shit.
I'm not trying to.
I'm just saying. I have it on video.
All I'm trying to do.
All I'm trying to do is figure out what your purse looks like. I just want my purse, dude.
I'm trying to see what your purse looks like.
God damn.
It's all white.
It's literally all white.
Okay.
Yeah.
The dancer knows what it looks like.
And I need my money back from the dancer. I need my money back from the
back up. You can't come in. Jesus, fuck. Right. Okay. What happened? I can tell.
Stop. No, that wasn't me. 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 That was not me.
Do not pull away. Do not pull away. They're both gone.
It was me.
Really, Mackenzie? It was me. That wasn't even me.
I know.
Y'all both acting up. We're gonna have to.
No, that wasn't me, dude. That was her.
Money.
440 of that.
I don't understand.
Step over here. Step over here. Just step over here.
448.
2 white females obtained. Can I get another unit? I don't have enough room in my car.
Are you serious?
Have a seat against the wall, okay?
Have a seat.
Why would you have us team?
Lean up against the wall.
Anything.
You guys
How
are
do
acting
you
up
want
too
us?
much.
How do you want us? Sitting?
What's that?
How do you want us?
You're good. Just lean up against that. I gotta wait for another unit now trying to go get y'all shit. Y'all aren't under arrest, but this is getting too much. When I'm in there trying to talk and you guys are hitting shit, that's
I
the problem.
wasn't. I literally wasn't. That was not me. Let me the go.
No, we're not doing that.
428 to the unit.
We want that trespass. That's too much.
Yeah.
Going on.
Okay.
Money
Hey,
here,
wait.
club, baby.
Nah, it's not about money.
Listen.
It is though.
You guys have a purse?
We look everywhere.
Okay. You guys have their ID?
Lying, bro.
We look in the trash cans. We look everywhere.
Lying.
It was
But I have over 300 cars.
It was by the
Why do we need to keep your bag? We don't need your bag.
I have $300 in that bag.
Beach has anybody?
He's literally lying, bro.
Go inside and figure out what's going on.
He's so lying, dude. Please let us look. Dude, we have dancers. We have dancers on our side.
I'll be right here. When you're done, then, you know, if you want to talk.
448, you want to rotate.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
He's laughing in our face.
I know, it's okay.
I know.
It's okay. I feel bad for them. Don't worry.
I'm so writing a bad review on them, bro.
They've got enough of those. I'd say.
No, we came here to spend money in our shit.
I literally spent.
And you're arresting us? Are you kidding me?
Not under arrest, but y'all are acting.
We called you.
I get it.
We called you.
Chill.
We did call you.
I get that, but there's a problem.
We called you.
When I'm in there trying to help you guys out, when I'm in there trying to help you guys out, and you guys are throwing shit and yelling
Shit,
outside.
bro. Take blame, bro.
I know. She said she could. Alright, the problem is, the reason why you're
Bro, that
cussed
was
is
not
because you're out here
me.
yelling too, okay? You guys are being disorderly.
Me, bro.
Okay?
I'm
Have a
not
seat
on
against
no
the...
shit
Come
like
back over
that.
here. Come back over here and sit down.
No.
Come here, baby.
Sasha,
I'm not on no violent shit.
you're not being violent. Come on.
What do you think I am, bro?
Just lean up against the wall.
It's okay.
45. 727, just on the line, reference this call.
Let's be silent. Let's just be silent.
Please get me out of here. I didn't even do anything.
It's okay, Sasha. We didn't.
You didn't even. You're the one that threw some shit, bro.
I threw my phone at the car to say,
Get me out of here. I didn't even do nothing. Please.
Alright, now, if you guys calm down and you guys just hang out, you guys are not going to jail. As simple as that.
Yes.
Problem is, you guys are acting disorderly.
He's
I'm not.
waving his badge in his face, bro.
I promise you I'm not.
He's waving his badge
The
in our
problem
face.
You guys are...
It's okay.
No! I'm gonna...
He's
No, he's not.
He's listening. He's
I didn't do anything. You did it. I didn't do anything. I know, and he won't believe me.
No, I believe you. I seen it happen.
Yeah.
The difference is, listen to me for 2 seconds. All I'm saying is, I can't be in there and you guys are out here acting disorderly.
We just need to call.
You guys are detained right now for that reason. You're not going to jail at this moment. I have no desire to take you to jail when I get off in an hour. I'd rather not, because then that holds me over after work. So if you guys just cooperate and chill out.
Under Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. Winding 68, a lawful investigative stop requires specific articulable facts, giving rise to reasonable suspicion that criminal activity is afoot. Generalized disorder is insufficient. The officer witnessed one subject throw her phone. That act forms the strongest factual basis for detention. However, he simultaneously expressed no intent to arrest, stating on camera he would rather not hold over past his shift. This on-camera admission is legally significant. It undermines any claim that probable cause had crystallized. Courts distinguish detention from arrest. A detention is brief and minimally intrusive. An arrest is a full custodial seizure, requiring probable cause under the Fourth Amendment. Ordering subjects to sit against a wall and summoning backup begins to convert a detention into a de facto arrest. In Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, the court held that persons not told they are free to leave are effectively in custody. The disorderly conduct threshold requires more than annoyance. Most statutes demand fighting, threatening, or violent behavior. Throwing one's own phone toward a trash can, not at a person, is at the outer edge of that definition. Sustained verbal argument, while disruptive, is constitutionally protected speech absent an imminent threat of harm.
Let me figure everything out and get everything back to you guys. We can finish this up.
He literally doesn't give a. He doesn't give a shit how much. But I'm just saying, he doesn't care. He doesn't care how much money you spend.
It doesn't matter.
That club does though. And they're eating it up.
I know.
And they're eating it up.
I know.
And that's why I just want my purse because I
I'm
don't
trying
want.
to get it.
I don't want to spend money there. And
Sit down. There's your purse. There's your purse.
see them.
Is that your bag?
That's
You left it
literally
was
my
in the
purse.
female bag. We didn't take inside.
We're not trying to.
Quit walking up on me. Sit against the wall. Jesus.
Is that your bag?
I think something.
Is that your bag?
Yeah, that's what you described.
Girls' bathroom.
Can you stand with him for a minute? All right, Sophia, I want to take these off. Don't go crazy, all right? I'm just going to
Take a
leave.
video of me. Please take a video of me.
I will.
This is so
Sophia, I'm trying to get your cuffs off.
so please take a video of me. Please take a video of me. This is
Sophia,
so
cuff off.
This is so we didn't even do anything.
All right.
We literally didn't even do anything. Never been handcuffed in my life. Never been handcuffed in my life. I didn't even do
All right,
anything.
y'all got to go. You're trespassing. So you guys got to go stand on the side of the road.
We don't want to be here anyway.
You got to stay on the side of the road till Grover gets here.
Can we put our...
That's what they were lying about my purse. They were here.
No, I know. Girl, no worry. We're still...
Yeah, so, you know, and then they make all the drama in front. I came here, I told them that okay, we're gonna find
We're making all the drama. You had my purse the whole time.
Baby, don't worry about this.
You had my whole purse.
Start walking.
I wasn't even
I'm not going to jail. Don't worry.
$300.
Find your bag, we go.
These can't even take care of us.
Check the,
These police are here to take care of us.
You are this close to going to jail.
They broke your $3,000. They broke your $3,000 purse. They broke her $3,000 purse. They won't help us get home.
Because y'all like to
He wants it. He says that we
All right,
claim.
go. You're about to go to jail.
He's claiming that we're going
If you don't
to jail.
start walking to that road now,
She's getting her shoes on.
I don't care about her. Get walking that road. You're going to jail.
Okay.
Get walking to the
Let me
road.
get her purse. First.
Hurry up.
Okay, thank you.
Last time I'm telling you, get her walking.
Cool.
I feel sorry for
You want me to get it? You think I really give a about a dollar bill? You think I give about a dollar bill? Really? That's so rude.
You're gonna go in. You're good.
Yeah, you're good. You, not so much. But
Thank you, police.
What's her dollar?
That's her dollar. I want to let you know. Yeah.
All right.
Shoot.
Get walking, or you're going to jail. Side of the road.
Name? What's your
Side.
badge name?
Happy to side. Go.
What's your badge name?
Go.
What's your... Won't
You
even
don't-
say it.
That's not a thing.
Won't even
And
say
now
it.
you're going.
Don't.
Now you're going to fucking jail.
Bitch, I'm fucking...
The most legally consump moment occurs at approximately 8:22 of the footage. One subject asked for the officer's badge name. Seconds later, she was arrested with profane language. The Supreme Court held in City of Houston v. Hill 1987 that verbal criticism of police is protected First Amendment speech. Requesting officer identification is a civic right, not a criminal act, in every U.S. jurisdiction. The direct temporal sequence, badge request, then immediate arrest, establishes the factual predicate for a retaliation claim. In Nieves v. Bartlett 2019, the Supreme Court confirmed a retaliatory arrest claim requires absence of probable cause. The officer's own prior statements, "I have no desire to take you to jail," are admissible evidence against independent probable cause. A Section 1983 civil rights claim under 42 U.S.C. Par 1883 would carry meaningful legal merit on these facts. The qualified immunity doctrine protects officersonly when the violated right was not clearly established at the time. City of Houston v. Hill was decided in 1987. The right was clearly established. Qualified immunity would not apply.
Please let me put my titties up. Please let me put my titties up. Can I please put my titties up? Please let me put my titties up. Please let me.
No, they're not. They're not.
704 bandage in Springfield.
Hey, man. Car ran over my goddamn phone.
Really?
Pissed. God damn it. That's going to institution.
Are you serious? You really
car ran over my phone.
Huh?
Car ran over my phone.
Oh no. Do you want to sit right there? Where do you want her? You want me to transport her? What do you want me
You
to
want? I don't give a fuck.
You said what?
You want?
No, don't let him choke. Ow! Ow! Stop it! Stop it! Ow! Why did you forget this word?
Yep. Here's the shit. Hold on one second. Parker, take a photo of this, send it to my WhatsApp. My phone's broken. I got you. She'd have the ID though.
Will you come back over here, please?
So this right now.
Don't be pissed. This is bullshit.
This stupid shit just cost me $1,200, so I'm gonna be pissed.
Why are you out of $1,200?
Drop my phone chasing her because she wants to act up. Car runs it
I
over.
don't know why
Good idea. Appreciate it.
There, it's up. It's up.
Thank you. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Alright, so she doesn't have any pockets or anything.
No,
That's all I wanted to
You got
know.
anything on you?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay.
We know who she is and everything.
I have no idea. I just had my car here because I saw they were running.
She's ID'd and we know who she is.
Everything's good.
Alright, take her out to jail.
Grades. The officer receives a C+. His de-escalation in the first half of the encounter was genuine. He resolved the property dispute and maintained composure. However, the arrest following the badge number request appears retaliatory under clearly established First Amendment law. His own on-camera statements contradict any independent probable cause basis for the rearrest that followed. Subject 1 receives a B. She exercised her First Amendment right to demand accountability. She complied during arrest without physical resistance. Her arrest on these facts lacks a constitutionally sound basis and would likely not survive a Fourth Amendment challenge. Subject 2 receives a B-. Her phone-throwing admission provides the strongest factual predicate for the disorderly conduct detention. Her conduct, while persistently confrontational, remained verbal and non-violent throughout. Lessons from this encounter. For citizens, always assert your right to officer identification. It cannot legally be used as grounds for arrest. Comply with lawful orders, while simultaneously preserving your right to challenge the stop through legal channels. Physical compliance is not legal waiver. Courts evaluate both what happened and what rights were violated. For law enforcement, effective de-escalation is invalidated when it ends in a retaliatory enforcement action. Personal frustration is not probable cause. Profanity in an arrest announcement is grounds for discipline. Officers must distinguish between conduct that is offensive and conduct that is criminal. The Constitution protects the former. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below.